Stop buying those expensive chocolates, folks. Let's make our own delicious chocolate-covered cherries at home. First up, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a jar of maraschino cherries. Make sure they're drained and dried. Then, grab a cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1 tablespoon of cream or milk. And of course, 1 cup of your favorite melted chocolate, whether it's dark or milk. Now, let's get mixing. In a bowl, combine the powdered sugar, butter, and cream to form a sweet, doughy mixture. This is your cherry wrapping mixture. Take a small piece of this dough and wrap it around each cherry. Don't worry if it's not perfect, we're going for delicious, not flawless. Next, pop those wrapped cherries into the fridge to chill for about 15 minutes. This helps the dough firm up and makes dipping easier. Speaking of dipping, here comes the fun part. Melt your chocolate until it's smooth and silky. Now dip each cherry into the melted chocolate, making sure it's fully coated. Let any excess drip off before placing the cherry onto parchment paper to set. And there you have it. Homemade chocolate-covered cherries that are as fun to make as they are to eat. Perfect for a sweet snack or a thoughtful homemade gift. So why not give it a try? Your taste buds will thank you. Thanks for watching and happy dipping. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more delicious DIY treats. See you next time.